All right, guys, so wanted to talk about something real quick on this machine that we now have on our website that's been great. We have the Full Send Off-Road Accessories dual battery kit. It doesn't get any easier than this. It comes with all the cables already cut to length, the isolator, the second battery, the brackets, the bolts for it. You don't have to drill or permanently modify anything. So factory battery, isolator, comes with all the cables. You run the cables right under the rear seat belt on the four-seater, right to your other battery. But to take a step back, we have laser whips, rock lights, rugged radio, roof fan, and a factory stereo with the upgraded head unit, also from Full Send Off-Road Accessories. And at night, we're on a slow trail, you know, at Black Mountain, like trying to go up Mason Jar or something, where you're just creeping along, and all that running, even on the upgraded full throttle battery, was not enough. I did not want to do an alternator because I don't feel like they're the best for the East Coast. They get mud and dirt in them. They get, you know, they quit working. And it's just an external belt for a stick or a rock or anything to pop in. And we've replaced a lot of those here at the shop, so I said I would never run one of those alternators. Started looking at some dual battery kits. None of them really piqued our interest until we talked to Michael at Full Send Off-Road Accessories. And again, I know I've said it, but it is a one and done kit. It takes maybe 45 minutes to an hour to install. No drilling holes, no permanent modifications, no nothing. It's literally bolt in and you're done. And since we've installed that, we've been out on so many rides at night, stereo going full blast, roof fan going, laser whips on, rock lights on, headlights on, light bar on, just everything going full blast. And we haven't had a single issue. So let me show you the other side where it actually mounts and what the kit comes with. But yeah, like I said, all the cables are pre-cut. It comes with them. They already got the ends on them. Comes with the battery, and comes with this super sweet mount that they've got. And again, y'all know how we ride. This thing has been through it, and this mount is perfect. It uses factory holes in this brace under the factory seat. It comes with the hardware, comes with the back bracket, front bracket, battery, and everything. And again, like there's not a ton to say. It's been great. It's been perfect. It's exactly what we needed. The only thing that you can't do is there's a factory cover here, as it comes OEM. And you do have to omit that because the battery sticks out a little bit. But it is no issue at all. Like once your seat's up here, it covers everything up. My 5-year-old sits back here in his little seat, his race seat that sits in here, and didn't even know it was there. You're not losing any storage because there's no storage there. But yeah, dual battery kit. It doesn't get any easier than this. It's right at $400. It's on our website or Full Send Off-Road Accessories. You can buy it directly from him. Awesome kit. Super easy to install. There's literally nothing to do but just bolt it up and zip tie some wires and the isolator and you're done. So, wish it was longer. Wish there was more to talk about, but it's not. This thing's great. So, if you guys are looking for a dual battery setup like we were, check out Full Send Off-Road Accessories. Y'all have a good day.